Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I want to thank you for hitting that play button. I don't know about you, but it seems like it's been like a month since I made a video, even though it's kind of only really been, what, 10 days maybe? But in today's vlog, as the thumbnail says, as well as the title, we do have an update on the, oh yeah. Oh, I don't know, guys, this just feels good. I want to give a huge shout out to Brad. Brad in North Carolina sent me this hat, brother. I appreciate it. I think it looks, I may not take it off. I also want to give a huge shout out to Jay. Jay sent me this. What do you think about this, guys? Oh yeah. Of course, you know he's from Florida. Look at that. Fearless. Almost that time. Today I found out that number one, my VIN has been created. Mine is going to be the 49th car built. And today I do have an insider in the Bowling Green plant that number 35 was just built like after lunch today. So he is anticipating that my car is either going to be built on Friday or on Monday. But everything is locked and loaded. I'm excited. You know, whether I'm number 7 like original or 49 or 279, it doesn't matter at this point. I'm just excited that the car is being built and on its way. See this product right here. Oh yeah. But you know what? That product's not for the ZR1. I'll get into that in just a moment. We're going to get into the tires. Don't worry about it if you clicked on this video because you wanted to see what the tires look like on a Z06 when it's time to get them changed out. I'm going to go over all that. We're about to jump in the car. We're going to be headed to Discount Tire because that's who I use. They do an amazing job. And as you can see right there, we've got some product on top of the Z06. But the thing is, this is not for, this is not for the ZR1. This isn't for Fearless. We've got Geon View, which is going to be something that I put on the glass of this particular car, and a little bit of this kind of, I got this shaking and got this all over the place, but some of it's on the brick. But basically you take this, you put it on this, and you clean the window, and then once you take it off, then you put, with microfibers, you put the repel on it. Great stuff. I've used that before. Of course, we've got the Synchro or the Geon Mose system here. This is going to be the ceramic coating that goes on. Of course, 2 coats of the Mose, 1 coat of the skin, or 1 coat of the skin, and then you use the cure to touch it up. But I will be putting this on. Of course, it has everything there. And then we've got the Geon rim, which this should be enough for the ZR1 as well as. Oh yeah, we don't just have one new Corvette coming to this channel. What are you talking about, Chuck? Yes, the Z06, the Black Mamba is gone. But I had been talking to my wife about possibly getting her a Vette. And Rick Connie, if you guys aren't following his channel, make sure you're following him because he's going to be kind of detailing. I mean, he's going to be kind of showing some footage on his channel, getting it loaded. It's already been paid for. I wired the money up there. He sent me the paperwork. Guys, it's super, super easy. The only thing we're waiting on now is a transporter. And the couple of companies that he uses are like 2 weeks out. So even if it's going to be a couple of weeks, that's cool. Now, if anybody watches me and you're a transporter or you like know somebody who does a really good job, send me an email below. Maybe we can get this to her a little bit quicker. That's it. It's official. She's got a brand new 2017 Grand Sport Collector's Edition. I'll throw some photos up here, guys, so you can see it. It is absolutely stunning. That tension blue, all the microfiber on the inside, they really did that car right. She just thinks this thing is ridiculously amazing. It's got the carbon ceramics on it. It's, you know, of course you know that I'm not buying another Corvette unless it's got carbon ceramics on it. It does have the Z07 suspension. It's got everything on it. It does have it does have the phase 1 aero, but we'll be changing some of that out. She's not real big into these arrows. Now I'm gonna change out the wing for sure to look. I am going to be changing it to the phase 2. Enough of me talking. Let's get down to Discount Tire and let's get these tires swapped out.
That's for us short people that can't change tall tires.
Now this right here is the rear tire. You can see the cord and everything in here. And I'm going to have flashed right up on the screen what the caster, camber, and toe were set at. Most of this wear, I did notice, I was getting a little bit of wear about the time I lowered the car back in, I believe it was August of last year. There was a little bit of wear, but I went in and had it realigned. But, you know, it's one of those things, it really depends on how aggressive you drive with the car, how well this is going to work. But definitely the alignment probably wasn't the best. If you guys have had this problem, let me know in the comments below. But again, this is the right rear. This one, guys, right here is the front passenger side. You can really see the wear on this. I mean, way down into the cords. And this right here is it's pricking me when I do that. So again, this right here was the front. Right here is the driver's side. As you can see, there's not near as much wear. I mean, there's wear there, but it's not down into the belt or anything like that. Again, this is the driver's rear. You can tread on that down there. You can see the wear bars right here. Here on this one right here, so it definitely hasn't worn near as bad. This one here is going to be the driver's side front. You've got a little wear here. A little bit of wear right here starting to come through. Now guys, below, the very first link that I've put in the description below is the DSC Sports Corvette C7 recommended alignment specs. If you'll go down there, it will show you, if you want to do more street driving versus occasional track, what your setup should be, and then also if you're going to do more tracking than street driving, what they recommend your alignment be. Give a huge shout out to Al and his guys who just got me set up as soon as I got here. Did a great job, did the whole thing in probably about 30 minutes or so. Took really good care of the rims. You could see there's no scratches, nothing like that. Happen to be here in the Tulsa area. Discount Tire, I know their discounts are all over the place, but these guys do an amazing job every time I've come here. Always have great service. So if you're here in the Tulsa area, make sure you come check out the store right here at the corner of 71st and Lynn Lane. Got back, went and took a drive for about 40 miles or so just to kind of get the tires kind of wore in just a little bit. I would probably say they are a little bit of a softer tread. You can definitely tell the difference in the ride. Would I say it's better? I would say it's a little bit more comfortable. In these, I did go around some really tight turns, just kind of seeing how it felt. You could definitely tell it wasn't quite as responsive as the Michelin Super Sports, but not enough that it's going to be a big deal. I think these tires would be great. They're going to be able to go through rain really well. If you live in a climate or an area. Now, they're not really all seasonal tires. They're really not made for winter or anything like that. But, if you live in an area that gets maybe a little bit more seasonal rain throughout the summer, these are some, I think these are going to be some really good tires. And for the set of tires, it ran me about $1,500 is what they ran me, having them installed and everything. Always, again, discounts always got great prices. I found them on Tire Rack and a few other places, and they actually beat their prices already without even asking them to match someone else's. So if you do have a discount tire in your neighborhood or near you, you may check them out if you haven't already. So that's this week's video. We've got a lot of content. I'm going to be out with the Corvette Club this Saturday. We're going on a cruise, so of course we're going to get some cruise footage, and we're close. ZR1, the next time I talk to you guys, the ZR1 will have been built. Wait to get my wife's Grand Sport here, right here, guys. Look, right here. The ZR1 will be there. The Grand Sport will be here. Now, in the meantime, my wife's not really big into naming cars. Guys, let me know what you think we ought to name this car. Well, until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your week. Now, let's check out some of your beautiful rides.